back to the Adjunct's kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name's Chad Seeger, and today, by special request, we're going to have sauteed chicken over pasta with Rosa sauce. The must-haves for this dish are chicken, pasta, marinara, onions, and ricotta cheese. The optionals are spinach, garlic, Italian seasoning, basil, and parmesan. The steps to making this dish are to prep your ingredients, then start the pasta water. Heat and oil your pan before you add the ingredients and stir. Then finish your pasta. Plate and serve. To get started, we need to prep. So on a separate cutting board, cut your chicken into thin strips. Dice your onion pretty fine. Then give your garlic a pretty fine mince. For the basil, cut it into fine strands. After the prep, I start the water for the pasta. Since I already have my tomato sauce, I can get right to making this dish. So start by heating a pan to medium-high. As the pan heats up, add plenty of oil. Once the oil is warm, add your onions. After a minute, add the garlic. If it looks like you're running out of oil, add a little bit more. And then add the chicken. Add some salt and pepper. Toss it around. Then you're going to want to mix the chicken around for a few minutes. Try to keep moving everything so nothing burns. As your chicken's cooking, take a look at the pasta water. If it's boiling, you can add your pasta now if you'd like. After about 5 minutes, when the chicken looks cooked, you can add your spinach. After about another minute or so, you can add your Italian seasonings right in. Some more black pepper. Give it one final stir. At this stage, spoon in some of that marinara sauce. Now, if you want, at this stage, you basically have chicken marinara, so you can put this right on top of pasta. But today, we're making Rosa sauce. So what that means, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, some ricotta, some fresh basil. We're going to give it all a good mix. There we got a pretty nice Rosa sauce. Beautiful. Plating this dish is incredibly easy. So either put it in a bowl or make a bed of pasta. And then spoon the sauce with the chicken right on top. Hit it with some fresh Parmesan cheese. And some fresh basil right on top. So if you can't decide on red sauce or cream sauce, make this. Best of both worlds. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.